The upper house witnessed unruly behavior and misconduct on Sunday as well during the discussion and passage of the two farm reform bills. Derek O'Brien also created a ruckus on Sunday over the passage of the farm reform bill by physically heckling the deputy chairman Harivansh and also attempted to tear the rule book in front of him, while other opposition MPs hurled books and papers on the deputy chair. Also, a video has emerged of Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh physically assaulting a marshal before TMC's Derek O'Brien and others intervened. In the video, he can be seen dragging the marshal by his neck, following which he was escorted out of the house. Looking at the visuals, Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said that these actions of the opponents are highly deplorable. Here's what Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant posted. Very unbecoming conduct of Aam Aadmi Party MP Shri Sanjay Singh in Rajya Sabha today. These actions of the opponents are highly deplorable, which are subverting the parliamentary conventions. Chairman Venkaiah Naidu on Monday suspending 8 MPs for a week on charges of misconduct. He directed the marshals to escort Trinamool Congress MP Derek O'Brien and others out of the house over unruly behavior, after which further protests broke out. This is not the way, Venkaiah Naidu said, adding that the events witnessed tarnished the image of Parliament. Throwing papers and rule book is not the way. I suggest the members introspect.
If you have any problem, the only way is discuss, debate and decide. If you have the numbers, vote against the resolution.
The following MPs have been suspended. First, Derek O'Brien, Trinamool Congress. Second, Sanjay Singh, Aam Aadmi Party. Third, Rajiv Sathav, Congress. Fourth, KK Ragesh, Communist Party of India, Marxist. Fifth, Syed Nasir Hussain, Congress. Sixth, Ripun Bora, Congress. Seventh, Dola Sen, Trinamool Congress. Eighth, Ilamaram Karim, Communist Party of India, Marxist. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.